China from 6th of January. The number of patients arrived from Kazakh citizens of China. So from that, who we are taking on monitoring by telephone call. And then after 14 days, we dropped them from monitoring, and then the rest, 8,000 people, so within regions. And we see they are calling them each day, and coverage is 95% generally.
Мы ведем мониторинг по основным вопросам, которых интересуют наших граждан. В основном они спрашивают, что за вирус, как он передается. Да. Они нам задают вопросы, и мы документируем. Наиболее самый часто задаваемый вопрос – это основные симптомы коронавирусной инфекции.
Every day at 4 o'clock, our spokesman will come out to the media. Okay. So starting from I think 20th of January, every day we hear them. Okay, so chief scientific physician, distribution, or our official spokesman will give information. So what happened from yesterday.
There are still many unknowns about the virus, so all the information that we gather from countries through sophisticated systems like you do is really of golden value to make a right response.